Hey guys, what is up? This is Kajal. Welcome back to my channel. So I was willing to do videos related to winter outfits for so long. So I decided to start this off with basic clothes. For this video, I chose 3 very basic clothes that can be found in anyone's closet and is very common. Sweatshirt, leather jacket and a trench coat. I'm going to be showing you how to style them in 4 ways. That is, I'm going to be showing you how to style a sweatshirt in 4 ways, leather jacket in 4 ways and a trench coat in 4 ways. Mind you, those are all oversized. So before starting this video, this is a reminder to subscribe if you haven't. I'm gonna start this with trench coat. Trench coat is versatile and forever stylish. Not a fashion season has passed without trench coat putting in an appearance. For the first outfit, I styled it with a jeans and a top. I mean, you saw this coming, right? This will look casual and is definitely a comfortable outfit. You can play around with colors to find what matches best, but you can't go wrong with classic colors like black and blue jeans.
Take it back to all those days. I'll give you love, but I've never received nothing. You promised.
For the second outfit, I styled it with the biker shorts and used a belt to keep it all together. Okay, this might seem weird at first, but trust me, it looks so chic. Love them or hate them, it's safe to say biker shorts are officially having a huge comeback. Biker shorts can change up the whole vibe of your ensemble in an instant. For the third outfit, I styled it with an oversized dress with a belt. It looks classic and this is yet another chic way to wear a trench coat. For the fourth outfit, I styled it with a turtleneck and a skirt. The thing I love about this outfit combination is that it looks as put together as a button-up shirt and skirt with a layer of warmth, i.e. trench coat. Okay, so the next one is sweatshirt. Sweatshirt is that piece which can complete your any look, no matter if you're wearing a preppy or sporty outfit. For the first outfit, I paired it with black shorts. For all of you experiencing a bit warmer fall, this is one of the cutest pairings if you ask me. I just love the contrast it gives to your look.
And I am burning, there is no light if you are far from me. What can I do if I don't see you again? I'm not crazy, I am just as scared. So baby, please don't go, 'cause I will miss you. You shake my mind.
For the third outfit, I styled it with the only white skirt that I have and a white shirt underneath. It's kind of a nod to the 90s schoolgirl movement. Turn off the prep and pop your collar out from under a sweatshirt. This is gorgeous skirt outfit, period.
Waiting for you. You shake my mind. You burn my heart. You stop the time, baby. I'm standing here, and I'll be waiting for you.
For the fourth outfit, I paired it with a loose bottom. This is one of the comfiest looks. You don't have to put that much effort yet to look put together. Here comes the biker shorts again. Sweatshirt with biker shorts is another cool street style look for casual weekends. This is one of the coolest quad look which is inspired from the 80s and 90s fashion.
Loving fine, and I am burning. There is no love.
So the last one is leather jacket. It is one of the most popular things right now. For the first outfit, I paired it with a long t-shirt. It's kind of an edgy style. This outfit is #comfy forever. Second outfit, I paired it with black top and jeans. This is comfortable and yet another effortless look.
We could be more than friends. You couldn't say we didn't try, but where do we begin? say it could never be when they refer to you and me.
Or you can spice it up a bit by wearing it in another way with a sleeveless top.
Let's give it a go. Oh, 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 oh. You're hot like the month of July. I'm cold, that I don't deny. But what's wrong?
For the fourth outfit, I paired it with a hooded sweatshirt. This is yet another great way of styling a leather jacket which looks very effortless yet qualified enough to be one of those street styles.
Fire in that snap.
Okay guys, so this was it for the video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Also, I'm gonna be posting more videos related to winter outfits with more and more layerings and different style.
मुझे कोट तो लाई नहीं
ऐसे क्यों देख रही हो?
मैं पारा देख
देखो